Good morning all of you, my dear 5th class students. Today discuss about expanded form. So from your workbook, see here, workbook. Workbook, page number 13. Page number 13, everybody open. Identify the numbers. Identify the numbers. See, this is the expanded form. You can write in shorthanded form. 8 into plus 2 into 1 lakh plus 1 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 2. 2 is in multiplies place beta. While you are writing given expanded form into the short form, first you can observe left side first number. See here 8 into ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. See here ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So you can write the place value chart, ones place to crores place. Now you can write here ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Very easy. See here 8 is in crores place. 8 into 1 crore means 8 at present 1 crore place. So you can write here 8 crores place. Now next we have to go to the next number towards to left to right. Then ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 2 is in lakhs place. 2 is in lakhs place. What about 10 lakhs place? There is no value, you can write 0. Now next 1 is in 10,000 place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So 1 into 10,000 means 1 is in 10,000 place. 5 is in thousands place. 3 is in hundreds place. 6 is in tens place. 2 is in ones place. So what is the number? 8 crore 2 lakh 15,362. See, this is the given problem. First of all, you can write place value chart. So how you can write place value chart? First you can see left side first number. In it 8 into 1 crore means you can write place values from ones place to crores place. Then you can write their places in Indian place value chart. So this is the problem. Now next, write down everybody. Now next, see here, 5 into, you can write 1 after 6 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 into 10 lakh plus 8 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 4. First you can write Indian place value chart. You can observe. So left side first number. See here 5 into ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 5 into 10 lakh. So you can write from ones place to 10 lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. See here 5 is in 10 lakhs place. You can write 5 is in 10 lakhs place. Now next, you can go to the towards to left to right side, second one. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Means 8 is in lakhs place. So 8 at present lakhs place. Now next, this is 2 into 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. You can write 2 in 10,000 place. Now next, 8 is in hundreds place. Now what about thousands place? There is no number means you can write 0. Now next, 7 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place. So you can write 58 lakh 20,874. Now next, three into 10 lakh plus 8 into 1 lakh plus 6 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 1. See here how many places are there. Once observe, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Once again check it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So here 3 is in 10 lakhs place. Then you can write here 10 lakhs plus 3. Next, you have to go towards to left to right side, second one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Means 8 is in lakhs place. So you can write 8 is in lakhs place, 6 is in 10,000 place, 2 is in thousands place, 9 is in hundreds place, 4 is in tens place, 1 is in ones place. Then you can write 38 lakh comma 62,941. Next, write down everybody. Did you understand everybody? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Noise. Now last one. 8 into 10 lakh 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 4 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 8. While you are writing the expanded form into short form, first you can observe the left side number. See here in it how many pieces are there. First you can see ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then you can write the place values from ones place to 10 lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. See here 8 is in 10 lakhs place. Now next 4 is in 10,000 place. See here next you can see the second number from left to right side. See you can observe ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 4 into 10,000 means 4 is in 10,000 place. Then what about lakhs place? There is no number means instead of that you can write 0 in lakhs place. Now next 4 is in 10,000 place. Again 4 is in thousands place. Next 5 is in hundreds place. So here there is no tens. Means instead of that you can write 0. 8 is in ones place. The given number is 80 lakh 44,508. Now next write the place value chart for the following numbers. This is very easy beta. Write down everybody. After completion of this class, everybody must and see our YouTube channel. Then you can write in your CW or HW. Do you first of all listen carefully what I am saying? So don't waste your time. Okay? See, listen. Next. So you can use for activity book and workbook. Write in HW book. Okay? Homework book. See here. Next. Write the place value chart for the following numbers. Following numbers. See here 52,625. So here the place values is given crores to ones. So here you can write here ones, tens, I can write shortcut. So hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now here crores, see here. But our problem is we can start from where to where. See, first observe the given problem. So 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, this 2 is in thousands place, and 5 is in 10,000s place. Now you can start from 10,000s place. Where it is located? Here. So you can write 5 is in 10,000s place, 2 is in thousands place, 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, and 5 is in ones place. That's it. Now next, see here, 2,73,670. So we can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See, we can start from lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 2 is in lakhs place. Then you can start from lakhs from left to right side 2. Next 7 is in 10,000s place, 3 is in thousands place, 6 is in hundreds place, 1 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. Now next. $52 lakh 61,546. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, next crore. See here, first of all observe the given problem. In it how many pieces are there? First we can observe and write them into place value chart. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You can start from 10 lakh. So 5 is in 10 lakhs place, 2 is in lakhs place, 6 is in 10,000s place, 1 is in thousands place, 5 is in hundreds place, 4 is in tens place, and 6 is in ones place. 52 lakh 61,546. Now next, 9 crore 76 lakh 42,830. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. You can write directly in your workbook. Next, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 9 is in crores place, 7 is in 10 lakhs place, 6 is in lakhs place, 4 is in 10,000s place, 2 is in thousands place, 8 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 0 is in ones place. Now next, page number 14, write the number names for the following numbers. This is very easy beta. First of all, while you are the given number writing in words, first separate the periods by using commas. That is very important. See here, in your workbook already given, you can write very easily. See here, write the number names for the following numbers. See here, first one 21,354. See here, it has two periods. This is ones period, this is thousands period. See ones, tens, hundreds. This is goes to ones period. What is ones period? According to the Indian place value chart, first three places from right, okay, are called ones period. See next, according to our Indian place value chart, fourth and fifth are the two places are called thousands period. See here, from right to left side, 354 is in ones period, 21 in thousands period. Then you can write 21,000, 21,000, 354. Next, this is 58,912. Very simple. 58,912. Next, 3,57,921. It has three periods. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. Lakhs period, in it you can give only one place, that is lakhs place. So you can write 3,57,921. 3,57,057 thousand 921. Next, 6,13,859. 6,13,859. Next, see, listen carefully. What is this? 34,50,089. See, it has three periods. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. See here, 34 lakh 50,000 50,089 because 0 is in hundreds place now. Don't write 0 hundreds. So 89. Next 5 crore 6 lakh 81,347. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It has how many periods? 4 periods. First 3 places from right to left side goes to ones period. Next 2 places means 4th and 5th goes to thousands period. Next 6th and 7th are the places goes to lakhs period. Next 7th place is goes to crores period. So you can write here 5 crore 6 lakh. 06 means 6 lakh. 0 is in 10 lakhs place. So don't write. You can write 6 lakh. 81,000. 81,347. Now next one. Eight crore 42 lakh 61,250. See here, eight crore 42 lakh 61,000. Two hundreds. Write down everybody. Next page number 15. See now next. Write the place value of the underlined digits. See here, 1 lakh 56,685. See here dash dash dash. While you are writing the base values, you can start from right to left. See, first you can write 5. Okay? 5 is in ones place. 5 ones 5. Next 6. Where is 6? 6 is in hundreds place. The base value of 6 is 600. Next 5. 5 is in 10,000 place. So the place value of 5 is 50,000. Next 25 lakh 18,685. See, first we can write from right to left side. Underline digit is 8. You can write 8. 8 is in tens place. 8 tens is 80. Next this is 80 is in thousands place. 8,000 is 8,000. Next 2 is in 10 lakhs place. So 2 10 lakhs 20 lakhs. You can write 2 after 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is shortcut. Now next 4 crore 62 lakh 58,142. So 2 is in ones place, 2 ones 2. Next 8 is in thousands place, 8,000. Next 2 is in lakhs place. So 2 lakh. 2 after you can write 5 zeros. Next 6 crore 53 lakh 46,058. See here, underline digit 5 6 5. From you can start from right to left. 5 is in tens place. 5 tens 50. Next 6 is in thousands place. 6,000. Next 5 is in 10 lakhs place. 50 lakh. Next 5 crore 8 lakh 808. See here, 8 is in hundreds place, 800. Next 8 is in lakhs place, 8 lakh. Next 5 is in crores place, 5 crore. 5 after you can write how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. Next 55 lakh 15,000 555. From right to left side, 5 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place, 5,000, 5 is in lakhs place, 5 lakh. Next 5 crore 80 lakh 36,244. So you can take from right to left. 4 is in tens place, 4 tens 40. 6 is in thousands place, 6,000. Next 80 is in 10 lakhs place, 80 lakh. Now next 8 crore 5 lakh 73,210. So here the place value of 0 is always 0, whatever place it may be. So this is 0. 0 place value what nana? 0. Next 7. Where is 7? 7 is in 10,000 place. So 7 10,000 70,000. Next this 0 is in 10 lakhs place, but the place value of 0 is always 0. So now next compare the numbers by inserting the correct sign, less than, greater than or equal between them. Already I discussed about this problems in your course book and also activity book, but now I am saying some few problems. Okay, now remaining problems you can do at home. See here, compare the numbers by inserting the correct sign, that is less than or greater than or equal between them. See first one, 21 lakh 80,562. Next 21 lakh 8,562. While you are comparing the numbers, first you can see the given numbers digits. So the given two numbers digits should be same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the digits should be same. Next we have go to the from left side first place. Left side first place means 2 equal. Then you can go next side, left side, next place. 1, 1. Next 1 equals to 1. Then you can go to left side, third place, here 8, here 0. 8 is greater than 0. Then you can write greater than symbol. Or another way is there, that is 21,80,562. 21,08,562. Here 21 lakh same. Here 80,000. Here 8,000. 80,000 is greater than 8,000. So then you can write 21,08,562 is greater than 21,08,562. Next 42,12,656 you can write directly. Then here 42,12,566. See here 42 lakh, 12,000, same. 656, 566. So this is greater than this. So you can write greater than symbol. Now next 42,12,656 is greater than 42,12,566. Next here 8 crore 5,24,356 dash 8 crore 5,42,356. See, listen carefully. 8 crore same. 5 lakh same. Here 24,000, here 42,000. So 24,000 is less than 42,000. You can use less than symbol. See? Then 8 crore 5,24,356 is less than 8 crore 5,42,356. Now next 3 crore 45 lakh 89,676 dash 3 crore 45 lakh 98,676. See here beta 3 crore 45 lakh 89,000, here 98,000. So 89,000 is less than 98,000. Then 3 crore 45 lakh 89,676 is less than 3 crore 45 lakh 98,676. So remaining problems you can do at home. Today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.